This is just unbelievable to see the mainstream media, the globalists, the communist Chinese, Hollywood calling for insurrection, Katy Perry calling for riots, major publications daily calling for the president to be killed. What would you call this moment we're at right now?
This is the political schism that we're seeing. We just haven't witnessed the Fort Sumter moment yet, which I think could come at any time. But the judges are clearly in open rebellion against the Constitution. There's nowhere in my Constitution does it say that a couple of left-wing federal judges supersede the President of the United States, the Commander-in-Chief, on immigration. They didn't even reference the law in their decision.
That's right. A 5-year-old could tell the law. They have no purview in this area. Aren't they declaring themselves? I said this last night. Stephen Bannon said it today in Breitbart. These 3 judges are declaring themselves the Commander-in-Chief.
Yeah, why at this point, why couldn't they just, demand that an aircraft carrier turn around and go from country A to country B? I mean, they're declaring themselves to be, the superior part of the Constitution. And in the Constitution, Article 1 deals with the Congress for like 3 or 4 pages in my little booklet. Then there's, like 2.5 pages on the president. Then it's about 1 page on the judiciary. And it even says that Congress gives the cases to the judiciary that it wants to give to the judiciary.
And can override them.
And can override them. It just takes political will. But it's easier for cowardly, cuck politicians to punt and just, run for cover, stay in their cushy job, and let the judiciary make the decisions. But we're about at the end of that thread.
That's right. They're in such a bubble that they don't get that the mega tsunami, as you've called it, of liberty is here. They may hold it back for a while, but not for long. I mean, the law could not be clearer, and the president's purview could not be clearer.
I think that the liberal politicians and judges are playing checkers, and they just jumped 1 piece, and they're celebrating. They're all high-fiving. They don't realize they're playing 3D chess against Trump, and he's thought this out months and years ahead of them. But they've like little lobsters that just walked right into a lobster trap, and now they're chewing on the bait, and they think that they've really put one over on the man. But all they've done is swim right into Trump's trap. Anything now that happens, the next San Bernardino or Orlando is going to be laid right on their doorstep. That's Schumer, that's Pelosi, that's these federal judges. They won't
Absolutely.
be able to
What's wrong with them? Well, why don't they do what's popular and constitutional? Why are they committed to, that any idiot can tell playing checkers they're walking right into Trump's trap? I mean, Pelosi doesn't know that Trump's even president. She says Bush is.